Most people get a little bit of success, man. They're able to pay their bills. They're able to buy a car. They're able to live in a decent house. They're able to compete with their high school buddies or their circle of friends, and they're doing okay in that circle of friends. And that's where they stay. And they stay there until they die. And I want you to think about that. That's how people get in ruts. And the only difference between a rut and a grave is the depth of the hole. The degree of which you are rewarded is directly proportional to the degree of hard work that you put in. Your life is a monument to the difficulty and the pain and the frustration and the that you have to deal with on a daily basis, and how good you are at dealing with it. And not only how good you are dealing with it, how good you are at asking for fucking more. Being successful in life, building the life that you want, is going to take constant evolution. It is going to take constant progression. It is going to take a constant discipline towards looking for the next hardest path.
You have to make yourself uncomfortable on a consistent basis. The things that you're afraid to do, the action you're afraid to take, you gotta fucking take it. When you feel uncomfortable, you know what? I'm conditioning myself for success.
When you say to yourself, your parents say to you, maybe your parents instilled this in you, maybe it was your teacher that said to you, just be comfortable, just be happy, just get enough. No, we want freedom. I don't want comfort. You want to have an exciting, adventurous life. I want prosperity and abundance. I don't want comfort.
If you have a habit that you do things on a consistent basis that you don't usually do, it makes you scared. It scares the out of you. It makes you stretch your comfort zone. And if you do that, not one time, not two times, not three times, but hundreds and hundreds of times on a consistent basis, that is the habit. Not just to be successful, but to stay successful.